This is PHAsisNEO, an amazing phased array ultrasonic handheld testing device for the inspection of spot welds and short step welds. The compact device is suited for flexible use within a rough industrial environment. It contains two hot swappable batteries, a housing that meets IP65 requirements, a touchscreen, and a robust handle stand combination. With its multiple connectors for peripheral devices, it can be also used as a workstation using mouse and keyboard. The PHAsis ultrasonic inspection technology is able to connect probes with up to 121 elements for an inspection of spot welds with up to 729 focal laws in a high resolve grid. 16 channels are controlled in parallel. The high pulse repetition frequency of 20,000 Hz generates very fast inspection cycle times. The PHAsisNEO is distinguished as a real phased array inspection device for spot weld testing, especially by the beneficial use of the inspection frequency of 20 MHz. The PHAsisNEO can be used as a standalone unit with a local database or with multiple devices in a network connected to a central database containing the inspection data. The use of the appropriate PHAsis inspection software is fast and intuitive. By means of the included standard inspection parameter for the most recent spot weld compounds, first inspections can be carried out immediately with only a few clicks.